Okay, let me try that again. So, we have a much smaller magnet on the pencil. The power is onto the LED. Does it work? So I'm going to sweep it over the magnet, and the power didn't go off. Okay, the power went off that time. Okay, sweep it over the other reed switch, and I didn't restore power. Power goes on again. So you can see it's quite a little bit tricky. It's not as firm it on off. Let's just try it in the other direction. Sweep over the reed switch. Doesn't go off. Does go off, but bitchy. Try one more time. Goes off. Goes on again. Not sure if you saw that. Let me just try that one more time. It's a little bit awkward to do when you're holding the camera at the same time, to be honest with you. So sweep over the first, and it doesn't work. It works now. Next one should turn it back on again, and it does. Okay, that's about it for the time being.